Hey y'all, this is Nathan Chris coming at you live from just outside of Albemarle, North Carolina, and I wanted to bring you this how-to video. I've seen a lot of chatter about it. So I want to show you step by step how do you sign somebody up as a customer or as a distributor in your SendOutCard business straight from your smartphone. So here goes. I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus. All iPhones will be the same. Androids will be very, very similar, and I'll explain where they might be just slightly different. So let's go ahead and get started. Somebody's ready to get started and join our business. All we've got to do is click the SendOutCards app. It's going to pop up, and at the bottom of the page is kind of your main menu. Now on an iPhone, this is the only thing that I know differently. On an iPhone, you've got these three little dots that say more, and on an Android, you've got just three little dots, and they may be in the top right-hand corner. Either way, you click on those little dots, and it's going to bring you up some options. So down here at the bottom, it says sign up distributor, sign up a customer. So I'm going to click on what I want to do, and I'm going to sign up a customer. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring me up, and the first thing it's going to do is show me the gold option. Now at any point, you see at the very top where it says distributor and it's white and customer is it's green. If at any point they decide they want to switch from one to the other, all you've got to do is click on it. So let's say they wanted to be a distributor, or they change their mind after they see their options. So all you have to do, it toggles back and forth. So I'm going to go back to customer, and as I scroll up, I'm looking at what each package has to offer. Here's the gold package, then it brings me to the silver package, and I can keep going. Here's the breakdown on points, talking about your pay-as-you-go option, and then I come down here to preferred customer, and then last but not least is a retail customer. So all I've got to do is find the one that I want and click join now. And what'll come up is if it's not included in the package, you'll have the option to purchase the custom brand manager. So what this is the ability to customize the back of your cards however you want to. So in this case, for this demonstration, I'm going to leave that on. And then it comes down to my subscription. So how many points do I want a month? If I'm buying 100 points a month as a preferred customer, I get them for 39 cents a point, which means it averages out to $39 a month. So if I want to, I can go in here and I can manipulate the numbers, and let's say I only want to do 20 points a month. So that brings the subscription down to $9.80. Or I want to do somewhere in between, let's say 50. So any numbers you put in here, it's going to represent the cost of what it's going to do each month. But if you want the cheapest price for sending cards and gifts, you want to do 100 points a month. And you wouldn't want to do any less if you want the cheapest price. Okay, moving on. So what I'm looking at now is I'm looking at my expense. Now expense is how we pay for postage and or the shipping weight of gifts. Okay, and I want to make this very, very clear. If you're on a subscription, if you're on a monthly subscription of points, your expense is not included in that. It is separate. So what I mean is you're buying 100 points every month for $39 a month. You would just go ahead and you would add the expense as needed. So I'm going to add $5 at this time, and when that $5 gets down to nothing, it would just tell me I'm getting low or I'm run out, and all I've got to do is go in there and add it back again in $5 increments. So whatever dollar amount I want, it's just as needed. So I'm going to go ahead and click next, and at this point you can type in your customer's name, or you can hand the phone to them and they can type in the information. And let's see, I'm going to put in a made-up P.O. box here for this demonstration. Everything in this is just going to be made up, so let's see. And this is very simple. Personally, I think this is easier than doing it from the computer, but you can do it from the computer as well. All right, so now I'm going to go in here. It's going to ask me for an email address. And if their email address is already in the system, you will not be able to use that same email address. So make sure it's one that has not been used before. It's never been linked to any other accounts, and you'll be good to go. All right, so here's my made-up phone number. Now here's where you would add their username. Make it whatever they want, or they can make it whatever they want, and it is case sensitive, so I'm just going to put this as Nathan Test, and then the password I'm going to make generic SOC123. So I'm going to repeat that, and again, this is their password, so only they know it. And then it comes down to sponsor Genealogy Id. So this is your SendOutCards distributor ID number. This is very important to know. Mine is 6278, so I'm going to punch that in there. This is what links them to you. This is what links them to your business, either as your customer or your business partner. So you need to know this, and you're going to want to know this. check out the terms and conditions, agree to them, and then go ahead and click next. At this point, all you have to do now is you put in you choose your payment method, either debit card or credit card, or you pay by e-check. And all you've got to do, so here it comes up and it's verifying, okay, I'm on a $39 a month subscription. I bought the custom branding package. I've added $5 in expense. Here's my total. And now I would go ahead and I would put in the name on the card, okay? So you guys pretty much got this. I think you understand from this point. I put in the credit card number. And when I get down to the year and date, it's got, or the month and the year, the month and the year, it has to look exactly like it does right here. So if my card expired in August of 2018, I would put 08/18. Okay, exactly how it looks. If I put 0818 like this, it is not going to take it. It has to have that slash in there. Also, if I put 08/2018, it will not take it. So it has to look exactly like it. Okay, 08/18, and then I would put in my 3-digit security number, sometimes the 4-digit security number on the back of the card, boom, 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 and I would click pay. And at that point, guys, you are done. It is a done deal. You have a new customer or a new distributor who's ready to start going to work, start using the system right away. So I hope you guys found that useful. And if you've got any other questions, feel free to comment below and subscribe if you want to. I'll be posting videos periodically for different things that I have questions that come up or people have questions that come up, and we will try to address them here. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. If you need anything else, you just let us know.